What's going on, drone fans? So with less than 24 hours until DJI unveils their new drone, we have some new image leaks that show some pretty good details on the new Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom. And of course, with all leaks, until we actually see the details unveiled from DJI, we don't know if these are necessarily 100% accurate or not. However, they do look pretty accurate as far as something that DJI would release, as well as some of the specs that we've been guesstimating on for the new Mavic 2. Now, looking at these first images here, you can tell that this is very similar to the Mavic Pro, but of course the Mavic 2 here has, the Mavic 2 written on the arm, as well as a slightly different camera and overall body setup, including the battery. And here we get a front shot of the two different cameras. Now, the one on the left, of course, is the 1-inch camera sensor version, and the one on the right is the Mavic 2 Zoom model. Now, we've also got estimated pricing specs on here as well. It looks like the drone will be coming in at $12.99 for the drone, and for the Fly More, you're looking at $15.99. Now, again, this is for just the leaked specs here, so we don't know if this is 100% accurate, and it also doesn't specify if the two different drones have different pricing. However, based on the formatting and everything that we've seen here, it does appear that the two models are going to have the same pricing standpoints. Now, diving right into the specs, you can see this chart here compares the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic 2 Zoom, and the Mavic Pro. Of course, the main difference on the top there for the cameras is going to be the 1-inch sensor on the Pro version. Now, this is the first time that we've seen a Hasselblad camera on a drone, at least on a consumer level before, so I'm expecting some really high quality out of this. Now, of course, with the Mavic 2 Zoom, you're getting the 24 to 48 millimeter zoom, which is really going to be pretty cool because that's not digital zoom, that's actual optical zoom. Now, the Mavic 2 Zoom also does have digital zoom, based on what I've found so far, up to about 96 or 98 millimeter equivalent, and that is basically 4K cropping down to 1080. So you still have an HD image if you're using that feature. Now, a big feature that I'm looking forward to on the Mavic 2 Pro is that the aperture is no longer fixed. So it's variable from 2.8 to 11. Now, that's really going to help you when you're out shooting and it's sunny and you don't have filters with you, or you won't have to use such an extreme filter. Like on the Mavic Pro, sometimes I was using an ND32 or even a 64 filter because on a bright day, especially on sort of a sandier or white environment or snow, you end up with crazy high shutter speeds because you can't change any other setting on the camera itself. So now that we've got that mechanical aperture, we'll be able to adjust everything to make sure that our shutter speeds stay right where we want them to be. Now, the other thing on here is that the Mavic 2 Zoom has increased ISO levels over the Mavic Pro. So, I'm guessing with the newer sensor and everything in there that they're able to get better image quality and less noise. And even higher is the Mavic 2 Pro, which ISO levels go up to 6400 or 12,800. And basically, they're just really able to take a big advantage of the larger sensor in the camera. So low light video and pictures from the Mavic 2 Pro should be really, really good. Now, one thing that we are seeming to be missing is 4K 60. So of course the cameras shoot in 4K 30, but it does not have a 4K 60 option, at least on this leaked spec sheet. So we'll of course find out tomorrow if it does have 4K 60, but based on the screenshot here, it looks like 4K 30 is all we're getting. Weight of the drones is a little bit higher over the Mavic Pro. Mavic Pro is 734, while the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom come in at 907 and 905 grams respectively. Now, another nice little update on here is OcuSync 2.0. Now, we don't have full specs on exactly what that will entail, but compared to the regular Mavic Pro, before you were getting 7-kilometer range at 720p, while with the new Mavic 2 drones, we're getting 8 kilometers and a 1080p video feed. So video should be nice and crystal clear, even when you're in, working on far distances and that sort of thing. Now, that's all we've got for the leak specs for today. Tomorrow, of course, make sure you sign on at 10 a.m. New York time to watch the release of the new drones. Of course, we'll find out all sorts of info and see definitely more details on the two drones that we've all been anxiously waiting for. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as we'll be going over the new specs and discussing that tomorrow after the conference from DJI. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as we're going to be definitely picking up one or both of the new drones to be reviewing. And of course, we'll be talking about all the new specs and everything after we get official specifications from DJI tomorrow. Of course, comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to put down there what drone you think you're going to be getting. Are you going to go with the Zoom, or are you going to go with the Pro model? Thanks for watching, and hopefully the next time you're seeing me is after the release of the new drones from DJI.